less and fewer. It's surprising how often you come across this having got wrong. Now, to be honest, 30 years ago, nobody cared. Nobody cared at all. Everyone was worrying about people's accents and how that was changing. Now, less and fewer seems to be something that people get a little bit heated about, but just enough to whinge. Yeah. This isn't worth going to war over. And indeed, I saw a sign recently talking about less swans, and they meant fewer swans. So let's see what the rule is. Here we have some fat people, 3 fat people. If I get rid of one of them, there are now fewer fat people, because we count the people, don't we? There's fewer fat people. If I was to go for less fat people, here's our fat people, but they are less fat. If you can count it, it's, what is it? I don't know. If you can count it, it is fewer. If you measure it, it is less. Now this is where, so you do need to have this rule because it can mean different things. Let's have a look at this one. Sausages. This is less of a thing. You would say there are fewer sausages for this table, but there is less meat if we take a great big bite out of that. There we are. Now they've got less meat and this lot have got fewer sausages. Though to be honest, if you said there were less sausages here, people would know what you mean. It's not like the fat people where it's genuinely 2 different meanings. Less meat because it's just, you measure it and it gets smaller. Fewer sausages because you count it and there are fewer of them. And now, same with chocolates. There are fewer chocolates if I eat 1, or 2, or 3. Do you want more? Come on. Ta-da! There were fewer chocolates than when we started, but if we take a bite out of the chocolate bar, there is less chocolate. But if you wanted to say the number of squares of chocolate, you would say there were fewer squares of chocolate. Hope that helps. Where's this going to turn up in 11 plus? In the closed test. That will be where they'll sneak that in. Thanks ever so much.